Welcome, in front of me is Poco M6, and in this video I will show you what to do if you cannot access your device using your lock screen pattern. So if you forgot your lock screen pattern and there is no chance that you can remember it, in such case the best decision would be to contact Xiaomi customer support service, tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of your device to them, they will be most likely able to help you out with your problem and let you regain access to your device without removing any data from it. Now, alternatively, you can perform a factory reset operation, and you can do this in two ways. The one is accessing your Find Hub service, your device in the Find Hub. Just using any other device that you have, go into the search engine and search for the Find Hub. Once you find it, sign into the Find Hub using your Google account that is linked to this smartphone, and then find this smartphone on the list of your devices in Find Hub. Select factory reset, and the factory reset will be performed eventually, and once it's performed you'll be able to set up your device as a new one and eventually regain access to it. Now, alternatively, you can perform a factory reset operation locally using recovery mode on your device. Now, if you don't know how to use recovery mode on your smartphone, we have an entire video on our channel titled How to Perform Factory Reset on Poco M6 through recovery mode. So if you need that video, go ahead and check it out. And now, in the other scenario, if you do remember the lock screen pattern that you used the last time to access your device, but you simply cannot access your smartphone with it, then you can use the safe mode instead, because in safe mode there will be no third-party applications affecting the way that your lock screen behaves. So in order to enter the safe mode, you have to hold the power button and the volume up key at the same time to call the power options menu, then select reboot and wait until your device starts rebooting. Wait until the Xiaomi logo appears on your screen, and only when you see it, start pressing the volume down key right now, and just hold down the volume down key and wait until you can feel the vibration of your smartphone. And once you are in the safe mode, you'll be able to enter your lock screen password, and it should work in case it's correct, no matter whether any applications are affecting the way your phone behaves, because they aren't active in the background in the safe mode. So just wait until your phone vibrates, and once it does, just wait until your phone boots up into the safe mode. And once your phone in the safe mode, you will see the indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. So now just try to draw the pattern, then go to settings, and in settings select fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Select your screen lock, then enter the same pattern again, then tap turn off screen lock, press OK, and now hold down the power button and the volume up key for a second to enable power options on your screen, then select reboot and wait until your smartphone is restarted, and after that you will regain access to your device. So that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.